Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. It's a whole new year.
It is. It's Cocktails with the Princes.
You betcha.
Who are we playing?
It's Alanis.
Alanis Morissette. Playing Ironic.
Boy, when Marcella was little, I mean real little, in
Yeah.
her car seat, she used to love this song.
She did. I can still see her legs bouncing
Yeah,
along.
man, she'd rock
It would come
to
on
it.
and she'd just get so excited.
But only this song. It was
Yeah.
this song.
Yeah, she liked Alanis. This was a good
Yeah.
one for her. But why are we playing Ironic?
Well, it must have something to do with today's drink, yes?
It does.
Are we doing the ironic drink?
We are not. We are doing the Snowstorm.
Ah.
It is. And it's ironic because
Yeah.
we have no snow.
Yes.
It is Wisconsin. A couple weeks ago it was minus 32,
Yeah.
getting frostbite. And we had a lot of snow built up on the table.
Yeah.
It is gone.
It's gone,
Our
man.
snowman
It's
is
like
gone.
sweater weather.
Well,
Almost.
almost. It's a
Yes.
bit nippy.
Yeah.
But we're going to make the Snowstorm today.
Yep.
And for the Snowstorm, we need vodka, Kahlua, coconut milk, and nutmeg.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get these mixed up. Get the shaker.
We haven't had Kahlua before in a drink, have we?
We have not.
No. Kahlua is sort of nice.
Yeah, Kahlua is rum and coffee liqueur.
Yeah, man.
Seems like a good combination.
Seems good to me.
I'm going to try to mix two up at once.
Ooh.
Because the coconut cream or the coconut milk, is going to kind of mess up the jigger.
Ah, I got what you... Yep.
Yeah. So first thing we need is 2 ounces of vodka per drink. So we're going to get our 4 ounces in there. This bottle is not a good bottle.
No kidding.
I said this
Oh.
before. Ooh, overspilled onto the mat. Let's get this over here. All right.
I don't know if it stains. Does vodka stain?
I don't think so. Probably smells.
Yeah.
It's
Oop.
over again.
It's because it's such a big bottle.
It is.
Not complaining.
No.
We don't want to start the year off complaining.
I'm a little confused now because it's
2 and
it's
2.
2, 1.
I don't know.
I'm going with 1.
Okay.
Should have written it
I
down.
never know.
So it's 1 per drink, but we're going to put in 2 since I'm mixing both drinks up at once.
You betcha. Oh, it looks tasty.
It does.
Yeah. Bleep. Maybe you should throw 2 in just
I
for
think
the
it's
heck of it.
1.5.
What the heck? A little bit more couldn't hurt. There you go. That's the ticket. Well, whatever. It's the holidays.
It is the holidays. I don't have an eye patch on. I don't have
That's
any
right.
glass in my glass here.
That's right.
'Cause this eye I can now see perfectly on it.
Yep.
It's kind of amazing.
It
Here is
is.
our coconut milk.
The miracle of Christmas.
So we need 2.5 ounces. So 5 ounces of this for 2
Really?
drinks. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I don't know if it really pours, but I guess it
It sort of
does.
glugs.
Yeah. This is full fat coconut milk. So that's 2,
Sort of.
sort of. There's 4. Never had coconut milk like this, have you?
In a cocktail?
Just in anything. Well, I guess we've had it in curries and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I wonder why they use coconut milk instead of like,
Milk? Cream?
like heavy cream.
Apparently gives it a coconut flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna shake that up.
I'd shake it pretty good, man, because you got that thick stuff in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, hope everybody had a good Christmas and a holiday season.
Yeah.
We usually keep our Christmas tree up to Epiphany.
Yep. Still up right there.
It's dry as a bone
Yeah,
and
it's-
dead as a doorknob.
It is, man. It's like,
like
I don't know.
The branches are snapping off, even though we watered it.
Yep. Oh, yeah, we water it religiously.
We did. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah. Nice. Can't wait.
So we got our 2 glasses.
Oh, did you have to do something with the nutmeg?
Yeah, not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Huh, are you doubting the mix master?
Well, not I would never doubt the mix master.
Mine like a steel trap.
We'll put this in, maybe this much. Oops.
All right, come on. There we go.
We were at a pub a concert venue last
Celtic
night.
band playing last night.
Yes, and the mix master and I, somewhat foolishly, thought we could order cocktails there, and it's like, no, you don't.
And
It's
now with our newfound knowledge of cocktails,
we said, well, do you have some drambuie back there? And the woman looked at us like,
nope.
what, drambuie? Do you know where you
'Cause
are?
We'd asked for a rusty nail. Then what did we ask for? I asked for something else. Eventually, I was like, "What kind of top
Give me a
shelf
beer."
whiskey do you have?" And they didn't have good whiskey. Ended up ordering a cup of coffee.
Oh, well, the music, well, we enjoyed the music.
We did, and the company was.
Yeah,
great.
that's right.
So the nutmeg is just sprinkle on top. So I got my grater, got my
Oh.
nut there. We're just gonna grate a little bit on top. Make it look pretty.
Yes, it was nice because it was an Irish band. They celebrated the New Year at 6 o'clock,
Yeah, because
which
they're
is
6 hours ahead of us.
right. So it was 6 o'clock in Dublin, midnight in Dublin. So it was kind of nice because we got to celebrate New Year's at 6 o'clock in
We
the
did.
evening.
We actually thought we were going to go to bed, but surprisingly, for the first time in years,
Yep,
we actually did stay up.
past midnight,
Yeah.
just barely, but
Yeah, who would have thought?
yeah,
Anyway, here's our cocktail.
indeed.
Yeah, looks nice.
It does look nice.
Check it out.
Yeah, look at that.
So here we go. Let's give it a go.
You betcha.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Oh.
Yeah.
See the coconut, you definitely taste the coconut, and it plays a good part. All of the ingredients in there kind of shine.
It's like drinking melted ice cream.
It is, with a twist.
Yeah, with alcohol in it. This
Yeah.
is really good.
It is good. I'm glad the glass is nice and full. That's good.
This is really good.
It is.
I'm going to take another sip.
All right.
Cheers. Goes down easy. Tastes good.
I'm gonna have
Ron's
some more
going
too.
in for
You
another-
betcha.
For another one. It's really good.
We'll put Alana's back on.
Well, listen. We hope you have a really wonderful year ahead. Thank you for all the support. We've had a lot of fun making cocktails.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has been. So, wishing you all the very best. Many blessings.
Yep. All
Joy.
the joy of the new year.
Absolutely.
That's right.
Happy New Year.
Cheers.
Cheers.